Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, I got a review on Dinowax Express Wax. Let's do it. So CamaroTime has sent me yet another Dinowax product to try. If you guys remember my Dinowax Wash and Wax review video of the Signature series where Pete signed the bottle and sent it to me, he actually texted me and said, hey, you want to try Dinowax's Wash and Wax? Because he won some products on another YouTuber's channel and he's just sharing what he won, which is really cool. The guy's got a huge heart. He's such a great guy. Never met him in person. I hope I do one day. We do talk on the phone, we text and stuff like that. But when I tried this out, he asked me what I thought of it, and I told him I liked it. He said, well, do you want to try some of the Express Wax? So I said, yeah. So he put it in like a shampoo bottle and made my own little label on here. Pretty cool. Wrote on the side what it is, and he got it out to me. I had it in about a week. I just haven't had a chance to do it yet because I've had vacation, details every single weekend. Didn't have a car that I really wanted to try it on because I try all new products on my own cars first. The Dodge Dakota, 98 Dakota, as you guys know, I bought new to me, a 2008 Dodge Dakota. Four-door, four-wheel drive, so I'm getting rid of the single cab, two-wheel drive Dakota that I've had for about 5 years. It's been a great truck, and I really want to get some extra pop out of it. I washed it, I cleaned the interior, get a little bit extra pop, maybe get just a little bit more money than what I'm hoping to get out of it. And from what I understand, this is a really, really good product. It has gloss enhancers in it. I'm not sure about the protection of it, how long it lasts, because I really couldn't figure that out online. I didn't really see it in anybody's reviews, but everybody says it's easy on, easy off, and really makes the paint pop, and that's what I'm hoping to get out of this blue paint. So I'm gonna get the camera set up, and we will go from there. I don't have any directions for you guys, like I said, because he sent this to me, but we're just gonna shake it up. It's a carnauba wax. We're gonna shake it up real good. We're gonna smell it. I know it smells like bananas, but I don't. A little bit runny, not terrible. Definitely smells like bananas. It has a little bit of a chemical smell to it. But here we go. Put it on a red applicator pad. We're going to kind of blotch it in here. We're going to go back and forth. We're not going to do any circles. It wouldn't hurt anything, I don't think, to do any circles with this if you want to do circles. It applies very thin, which I like. I like a wax that applies thin. Just straight line passes. That's it. I say it a million times every time I wax a car for you guys. You guys see me wax them. Straight line passes, less chance of swirling. But this red microfiber pad has no cut to it whatsoever, so it wouldn't hurt anything if I did do circles. Unless it was a cleaner wax, then that's the one time that it could actually leave swirls in the paint. There you go. That's pretty much it right there. I'm going to finish doing the whole hood. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to finish doing the whole hood, and then we'll take it off the hood. We'll see how easy it is to remove. Okay, so the whole hood is done. It is cured. As you can see, it is very, very thin. You guys can see that. There you go. I like that. You're not wasting too much product. Because when you put a wax on and you're putting it on really thick, you're just wasting product. So this is really good. I do like that part. So now it is time to remove the wax. So let me get you over here. I forgot to bring my tripod over, even though you're also on my head. But let's see how easy it is to remove. Move my phone out of my way. Not bad at all. It's very glossy. Very glossy. I like it. It feels a little rough. It's kind of grabbing the towel just a little bit. Nothing bad, nothing, I mean, not bad at all. It's not, I'm hardly applying any pressure at all as I'm removing it. But let me see if I can get you guys to hear this. Just so you see what I'm talking about. See, I think there's still some wax down here. I already got it. Okay, right here. I know there's wax right here. I put my microphone right on top of it so you guys could hear it. Get you guys where you can see. Still new to this GoPro thing, so bear with me, but I'm hoping it improves my videos. Okay, I must have said something that made it turn off. I don't know. That's kind of weird. GoPro record. Just hit it again. Comes off really, really easy though. It's one of the big things when it comes to when I buy wax products or when I try new wax products. That's what I want. Nobody wants to sit here and scrub and scrub and scrub on their paint trying to get their wax off. It just, because waxing to me is kind of therapeutic. I really enjoy doing it. I enjoy bringing that gloss out. I mean, this is really glossy. So far, I do like it. I think I might have to retire these Shiney's details towels for like wheels or something. They're not picking up like they used to, but I've still got another 10-pack I can open up. And they're cheap enough that it ain't no big deal. But the gloss in the paint is really, really good. It's really good. Let me get my light out. See that? I mean, it's clean. Looks really nice. Those right there are deep, deep scratches that I can't get rid of. They've been there since I've had to own the truck, so I'll get you as close as I can here. Yeah, this stuff works really good. Well, I'm gonna finish doing the whole car and then we will come back. Okay, all the wax is removed. We're gonna do a water test here in a minute, inside obviously. It's pouring down rain outside, I don't want to get dirty. The truck looks really good. It did a really good job enhancing the gloss. It's not a big difference, but there's definitely a difference. I have not gone over and checked it again a second time for the wax, but let's just show you guys. I mean, it looks really, really good. I'm very happy with this, actually. It's a very simple product to use. Yes, you're seeing some swirl marks. I don't do paint correction on this anymore because clear coat's getting pretty thin. But, I mean, it turned out really, really good. Let me take you to the other side real quick. Put the old flashlight down. And the clear coat on the paint's getting pretty thin too. I gotta do a lot of, I'm gonna have tons of videos on my new truck because it needs some paint correction, that's for sure. But I mean, look at the reflection. And you guys know, you saw my video where I did the update on the liquid wax versus the paste wax. It only lasted about a month. Well, this is only 2 days after I made that video, so there's like no wax on this car. And this truck looks really, really good. That kills the whole truck right there. But all these Dodges do that if you're familiar with them. Let's do the water test, the one thing that everybody always looks forward to. Unfortunately, it's going to be out of a spray bottle. I'd like to use a hose, but I can't. So, you guys know, when I did that video, the water's just sat flat on the hood. So like I said, this is 2 days after. Looks really good. Definitely not the tightest beading I've seen. They're not really uniform, but it's still beading the water up on top of the paint instead of just sitting flat. So, I mean, no complaints there. I mean, that's what it's supposed to. Let's do it down here. Right here on the side. I mean, that's what you want out of a wax right there. So there you have it, Dinowax Express Wax. I'm going to show you guys something. On their website, it is $12 for 16 ounces. You can buy it in 16 ounces or you can buy it by the gallon. A gallon is only, hang on a minute, technical difficulties here, $36 for a gallon. You cannot even, you can buy a bottle from the bigger stores like I use, bigger companies I use, for less than $36, but you won't buy a gallon for less than 100 when it comes to wax. That is really, really cool. And I hear a lot of their products like that. They have cheaper products for the people like us, the DIYers that aren't professionals, that don't do this every day, people that enjoy cleaning their cars but don't want to spend a boatload of money to do it. One other thing I want to read to you is it says it is Express Wax is for that just detailed look. So what they're doing, this is not meant for long-term protection. This is meant for when you get done washing your car and it's dry, throw a quick wax on it, make it look like you just did a full wax on the car. So if you have a show car or a garage queen, this is a perfect product for you. And the other thing that really caught my attention is it says, apply with a microfiber towel and clean light dirt from car surfaces without water. That is neat for a wax. I've never heard of a wax that they say you can do that with. So now I don't know about dirt, but if I had dust on the car, I'd probably feel okay doing it. But I'd rather my surface be clean when I wax it. But it's really cool. That's kind of a 2-in-1. It's kind of like a waterless wash, and that is really, really neat. Now the water beading to me is not as uniform as I like to see. I like to see really tight circles or beading. I don't like that. I don't know, it's just not a uniformed look wax, but it is protecting the surface just like it says just like it's supposed to do, just like a wax is supposed to. It's going to protect it. But that tells me it's going to last 3 to 4 weeks, probably max. I don't know, and I'm not going to know, at least this time, because this truck is hopefully going to be sold this week now that I'm done cleaning it. I really hope so. But it goes on easy. It comes off easy, just a little bit of tugging, nothing major at all. It's definitely one of those up high in my mind of products that are very, very easy to remove. It seems like a very, very user-friendly wax. So if you're somebody that doesn't really want to put a bunch of time into waxing a car and you don't want to sit there and really, really scrub on your wax to get it off, this is definitely a great product for you. Companies are going more towards a route of easy removal for wax, and I'm glad they are. I'm so glad they are, because it's so much easier. It's so much more enjoyable when waxing your cars. And this product I give 2 thumbs up to. Absolutely. It's cheap. It's easy to use. It does give you protection, and the gloss, I mean, you saw just a minute ago, the gloss is really, really good on the paint, and I'm hoping that just gives me that little bit of extra money when somebody sees it, even though it has rust on it, that the car is taken care of, it's clean, and it's really glossy. It really is. The camera's probably not doing it justice. We'll find out when I'm editing. But I want to say thank you to CamaroTime for sending me yet another product. Now I got to figure out something that I can send him in return, because we kind of swap products back and forth. There's something else that I might have to send him, but I appreciate CamaroTime. Go to his channel, check it out, subscribe. He does car show videos. He does detailing videos. Really good guy, really knowledgeable, big heart. And I'm just glad I can call him a friend. I really am. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this video out. If you like this video, check out some other videos. Hit that subscribe button also, so when I upload a video, you will be notified, especially when you hit the bell. I'm getting ahead of myself. And every Saturday night at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we go live. We talk detailing, we talk automotive repair, we talk about whatever you guys talk about. I will talk with you on it, and I hope to see each and every one of you there.